Hi, I'm Ted Paulsen, and I'm a small business attorney. And what I'd like to impress upon you today is sometimes you're going to need to talk to an attorney. And most of the time, attorneys are going to be approachable, and you'll have the opportunity to have a free consultation with them most of the time. The problem with most small businesses, they worry about going to see an attorney because they think it's going to be expensive, and every time I pick up the phone with the attorney, I'm going to be charged $200. And as long as you talk to the attorney from the outset, get an idea what it's going to cost, you can be much more comfortable and assured that when you call them that you're not going to get a big bill. The other bit of advice I'd give you is, from a practical standpoint, is before you start spending money on your attorney, is make sure you go out and that you have adequately defined what your good or service is that you're going to be offering, who your customer is, and how you're going to reach your customer. Because until you've figured that out, I don't want you spending money on your attorney because it's not going to do you much good. Make sure you have something in place first and that you're ready to scale, and then that's the time that you talk to your attorney. You can start spending some money. And at that point, it's going to be money well worth it, because you need to set up the right type of structure for what you need to accomplish and what you want to accomplish. And by sharing your objectives of your business, what type of business you have, your attorney is going to be able to help you understand how best to put that together. And at that point, they should also define for you what their fees are going to be, and you'll have a better understanding of what you're getting into as far as the cost goes. In my practice, I try to provide practical legal advice because I've been a business owner. I've raised capital for companies. I've started companies. And so I know what it's like to be on your side of the table when you're having to write a check to pay your bills. And I've done that out of my pocket. So I have an understanding of what you're trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish. As you go about this, one of the things you also might want to do is talk to the Utah SBDC network. They've got a lot of valuable resources to help you develop your plan, define your product, and do all the preliminaries before you talk to an attorney. So as you work with them, they've got a lot of great resources, and most of them are free. And so you're going to have an opportunity to really bootstrap your business the way you want to, but don't try doing it all yourself.